this brand new Maybach behind me. We are currently wrapping this vehicle for ComplexCon. We did Travis Scott's vehicle about 2 years ago for Bape. This one is actually going for Crep Protect, and we the best. So Crep Protect, you guys probably know, is a shoe protectant, shoe cleaner brand. So very popular. We're doing this car for them. We're facilitating everything for them: pickup, drop off, wrap, everything. This car was black, so now it's going to be a red and white theme. Custom printed vinyl. We're going to be wrapping the wheels as well, so it's going to be really cool. Stay tuned to see the full thing done.
Be the best. Pretty cool. I'm gonna try. We'll do some practicing on wrapping the car. So let's see how this goes. I mean, this is the first car that I've ever done, that I ever will probably do. Yeah. It's not gonna work. That's why they say stick to what you know how to do. This is exactly the right reason why you stick to what you know how to do. Because I apparently cannot take this off, even a small piece, to try to wrap a portion of a car. That's why we have a professional staff that does this.
Alright guys, we have this Continental here. It's in for a service and suspension. We're gonna replace both of the arms on the right side and on the left side. So stay tuned, check it out.
Check it out and stay tuned.
This one definitely came in with a tow truck because it's not drivable. As you can see, the front is pretty much smashed. We don't know the story behind this. The customer's gonna come by and sign all the paperwork and let us know what happened. The insurance company should be here shortly as well. Let's get this thing going.
Thanks, using RDB. How can I help you? Sure. We close at 5 o'clock. Yeah, we can get it done for you. No problem. Thank you. This is so handy and so fun. We have our brand new RDBLA pop sockets. These are amazing. You guys can get it at the store, or you guys can get it online. You can use this for a lot of things, as I do. I use it to have fun. Pretty cool.
It's another busy Friday. We have a lot of cars to finish up today. Let's start with this BMW M6 here. This car got lowering springs. We fixed the front bumper for him. It had a bunch of damage. We got H&R spacers on there. We did a little custom exhaust work. So little modifications, but the car looks really good right now, stanced up, on stock wheels even. So that's a really cool M6. This is a S63 Mercedes-Benz AMG coupe. This is in that matte white color, factory color. It's beautiful. We blacked out this car a long time ago. We put on 22-inch wheels from Forgiato. It's back for some maintenance work. He had a little trouble. We got into a little fender bender, so we went ahead, we fixed that. This paint is very hard to match. You have to do a lot of work, a lot of color matching, and you have to have a lot of experience to be able to paint this factory color. Over here, we have the all-white Royce Wraith. We've done a bunch of these. This is our good buddy Chase's. It's all over the internet. It's beautiful. It's got a two-tone white. Half of it is satin white, half of it is gloss white. This car originally is black. Also has 24-inch Forgiato wheels. It looks incredible again. He blew out a wheel and tire, so it's here right now. We're gonna replace the tire for him. Here we have the Crep Protect Maybach. This Maybach right now is gonna go to Long Beach for ComplexCon. Crep Protect and DJ Khaled, we the best to have a partnership, so that's why you guys see his logos on there. We wrapped the whole car. This was also black, two-tone white with red, with custom printed vinyl. The wheels, pretty cool, I think. The original Maybach wheels, we wrapped them white with a red lip. So it all goes with the theme. This is going to ComplexCon, which is a huge event here in Los Angeles. I'm gonna take it myself right now, load it up in the show for Crep Protect. So we're really excited for people to see that.
Good. Looking good. We should have a photo with one of your best customers.
We should.
There we go. I'm a best customer. There's no rush. He's taking my son's car tomorrow.
So we have this Bentley here. This Bentley was in for suspension repair along with the service, and we did a few things on this car. We changed the light bulbs in the front. He wanted something really much brighter, so we did that also. We're on for a test drive just to make sure everything's okay. And these Bentleys feel the exact same way as BMWs. So when suspension is bad, arms are broken, it definitely lets you know. So you have a lot of play in the suspension. So we're on the test drive right now. Car feels very smooth, exactly how a Bentley should feel. You shouldn't feel anything when you're driving a Bentley besides smoothness and really like enjoyable ride. So that's what we're doing right now. Everything looks good. It is 5 o'clock. It's a busy day at RDBLA. We're headed back to the shop right now, and we're gonna continue working. That's what we do.